Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. We have a risk for isolated dry thunderstorms today that encompasses eastern Washington State, northeastern Oregon, most of Idaho, and southwestern Montana. Dry thunderstorms are thunderstorms that occur without any precipitation, okay? Because the air is so dry, the precipitation evaporates before reaching the ground. So, and any lightning strikes that occur could absolutely cause a fire to start and for it to spread very quickly. Alright? So it's very possible that we get some lightning-induced fires in here. So, from dry thunderstorms. So, in synopsis, a mid-level trough will impinge on the west coast while upper ridging persists over the Rockies today. The approach of this upper trough will encourage locally dry and breezy conditions across portions of the western and northern Great Basin, though these conditions should largely remain below elevated thresholds. Upper support with this trough will also lift a buoyant air mass across eastern parts of the Pacific Northwest into the northern Rockies, where both a dry boundary layer extending to over 700 millibars and dry fuels will overlap. Thunderstorms that develop within this regime will be both wet and dry in nature. However, the degree of fuel receptiveness over eastern parts of the Pacific Northwest into the northern Rockies suggests that lightning-induced ignitions may be efficient, warranting the continuance of isolated dry thunderstorm highlights. So, that's your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. So, stay safe in these areas today, and if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, extra batteries, a cell phone, phone chargers, and the battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice. So, and also, try to avoid outdoor burning if you can. Also, do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit. Because 1, that's littering. 2, any little spark can cause a fire and the fire to spread quickly. And also, make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So, anyway, stay safe in these areas. And now, I think I have time to do my severe weather outlook. So, anyway, we have a marginal risk for severe weather today. This is now the severe weather part of the outlook. We have a marginal risk for severe weather today that encompasses southwestern Nebraska, western Kansas, eastern Colorado, the panhandle of Oklahoma, northwestern Texas, and northeastern New Mexico. Cities in today's marginal include Garden City, Kansas, Liberal, Kansas, Dumas, Texas, Sterling, Colorado, and Fort Morgan, Colorado. Go to today's tornado threat. There is no tornado threat for today. Going to the wind, there is a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, encompassing southwestern Nebraska, western Kansas, eastern Colorado, the Oklahoma Panhandle, northwestern Texas, and northeastern New Mexico. Cities in the 5% wind risk area today include Garden City, Kansas, Liberal, Kansas, Dumas, Texas, Sterling, Colorado, and Fort Morgan, Colorado. Going to the hail threat for today, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses southwestern Nebraska, western Kansas, eastern Colorado, the Oklahoma Panhandle, northwestern Texas, and northeastern New Mexico. The 5% hail risk today covers Garden City, Kansas, Liberal, Kansas, Dumas, Texas, Sterling, Colorado, and Fort Morgan, Colorado. So, in summary, a few stronger thunderstorms capable of marginally severe wind gusts and hail are possible across portions of the central and southern high plains late this afternoon through the early evening. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. So, stay safe in the affected areas today, despite just having a marginal, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms. And I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon, and if I have time, my day 2 fire weather outlook this evening. Take care.